Okay, look. So last day, actually, we have completed the first exercise, not first exercise, um exercise number. Just give me 1 second. 6.2, and question number 1 is totally completed. And today we'll start from question number 2, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So let's start from question number 2 today. Okay. Question number 2. Uh, it is given that find the values of the unknown interior angles x in the following figure. Some diagram is given here, and from this diagram we have to find one interior angle whose value is given as the unknown number x. We have to find out the values of this x. Okay, so look how we can find out the interior angles of the from the given figures. Okay, so let's start from question number 1 of 2. We're starting from question number 1 of 2. So first we have to draw the diagram. So I am drawing the first diagram. The first diagram is one triangle is given and whose one side is produced to a certain point. Okay, so let us consider the triangle is ABC. ABC is the triangle whose this side BC is produced to the point D. Okay, and the exterior angle thus formed is equal to 115 degree, and the two interior angles are given as this angle is x degree and this angle is given as 50 degree. We have to find what is the value of x. We have to find what is the value of x. Clear? Now how to find out the value of x? Now look at the diagram. If you look at the diagram, you can see that one side BC of the triangle ABC is produced to the point D, and this is the exterior angle and this is the opposite interior angle. So we can apply the exterior angle property of the triangle. What is the exterior angle property of a triangle? Exterior angle property of a triangle says that if you produce one side of a triangle, then the exterior angle will be equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Means these angles will be equal to sum of these two angles. Okay, so let us consider the triangles ABC. So in the triangle ABC, if we apply the exterior angle property, we have the exterior angles ACD. Look, the exterior angle is ACD. ACD. So the exterior angle will be equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle, means sum of these two angles. So name of one angle is CAB plus another angle is ABC. Okay, and within the bracket we'll write the reason why you can write it. It is from exterior angle property. Exterior angle property of a triangles. Okay, now put the value. Now ACD, what is the value of ACD? Look, from in the diagram it is given that the value of ACD is 115 degree. So 115 degree is equal to value of CAB. So value of CAB is equal to 50 plus value of ABC is equal to x. Now from here we have to find out the value of x. So the value of x will be 115 minus 50 degree, which means x is equal to, now subtract 50 from 115, so it will be a 60 degree. That means the value of x is equal to 60 degree. This is the value of x. Yes, yes. I can see a lot of student has given the right answer. No, x is not 65 degree. Yes, yes, 60 degree. Okay, x is equal to 60 degree. Now students, tell me, do you have any confusion? Do you have any confusions? If you have any problem, you can tell me regarding to this problem. Yes, typing mistake. Okay, no problem. Later on, you have rectify your answer. I have seen it. Okay, no problem. Okay, so let's move to the next questions. Okay, the remaining problems has the same procedure. We'll follow the same procedure to find out the value of x. Okay, so we'll now go to the next question. Question number 2. Okay, you just draw the diagram first. Question number 2. Okay, so diagram is given like that. One triangle is here, in this way, and whose one side is produced. Okay, we are giving a name as A, B, C, and the side AB is produced to the point D. Okay, now we'll write the angles given here. So here the exterior angle is given as x degree. This angle is given as 100 degree. Okay, and two opposite interior angles are given. This angle equal to 70 degree and this angle is x. We have to find out the value of x. So you can see that one side AB of the triangle ABC is produced to the point D. Okay, so we can apply the exterior angle property of the triangle ABC. Okay, so in the triangle ABC, apply the exterior angle property. So what is the exterior angle property? Exterior angle property means the exterior angles CBD is equal to sum of these two opposite interior angles. So we take first this angle, means BAC, plus this angle, means ACB. Okay, now put the value, and within the bracket must write the statement that from the exterior angle property of the triangles. Okay, now what is the value of CAB? It is given as 100 degree, is equal to value of BAC is 70 degree, and this is x. Now what will be the value of x from here? So the value of x will be 100 degree minus 70 degree. That means the value of x is, if I subtract 70 from 100, so the result will be 30 degree. That means the value of x is equal to 30 degree. So 30 degree is the answer. 30 degree is the answer. The sum of the interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angles. Very good. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Yes, 30 degree is the answer. 30 degree is the correct answer. Any doubt from your side? No. Okay, then we'll move to the next question. Okay, so our next question is, again here one triangle is given. Okay, so let's draw the triangles. Okay, one triangle is given like this. Okay, we are giving a name as ABC, and this point is D. So in the triangle, the side BC is produced to the point D, and the angles are here given as, this exterior angle is 125 degree, this interior angle is x. Okay, and one symbol is given here like that. So can you tell me what is the value of angle B? What is the value of angle B? Very good. This angle is 90 degree. Okay. If in any angle, if this type of symbol is given, that means this angle is actually 90 degree. The line CB is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now look in the triangles ABC. One side BC is produced to the point D. One side BC is produced to the point D. So apply the angle sum property, sorry, exterior angle property. So in the triangle ABC, if we apply the exterior angle property, then we have the angles ACD will be equal to the sum of these two angles. One angle is CAB plus another angle is ABC, and within the bracket we'll write from exterior angle property. Okay, that means the value of CAD is equal to 125 degree is equal to value of CAB is X plus value of ABC, that is equal to 90 degree. Now from here we have to calculate the value of X. That means if I shift this 90 from right hand side to left hand side, so its sign will be changed. We know it very well. So this is 125 minus 90. That implies the value of X will be equal to, now what happens if I subtract 90 from 125? So what will be the answer? Very good. Answer is 35 degree. Answer is 35 degree. That means the value of X is equal to 35 degree. The value of the unknown angle is equal to 35 degree, and hence the unknown value is known. Question is solved. Okay. 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 Now we'll solve the next question. Question number 4. Okay. Now question number 4 is okay. Draw the diagram. Question number 4. Draw the diagram. So here one triangle is given here like this, like here. Okay, and we are giving the name as A, B, and this point is C, whose the side CB is produced to the point D. And now put the given angles. The exterior angle is given as 120 degree. This angle is given as 60 degree. We have to find these angles. If this is X degree, we have to find this angle. Okay, so nothing to do, just apply the exterior angle property. So in the triangles ABC, apply exterior angle property. We have the exterior angle ABD is equal to these angles, mean BAC, plus these angles ACB. Okay, and within the bracket we have to mention the why we have written this from exterior angle property, from exterior angle property. From exterior angle property. That means what is the value of ABD? That is equal to 120 degree is equal to BAC, means 60 degree, and this is X. Now from here we have the value of X is equal to 120 degree minus 60 degree. Now what happen if I subtract 60 from 120? So the result will be a 60 again. That means this unknown angle is 60 degree. This unknown angle is 60 degree, and hence solve. Okay, now let's solve the next question. Okay, so may I rub the board? Students, may I rub the board? Yes, okay. Isn't it questions are very easy? Don't you think the questions are very easy? Tell me your opinions. How was the question? Is this a hard questions or easy type question? Yes, it is very easy. Yes, very easy. Okay, so come to the next question. This is our figure number 5. Okay, so we are giving name as A, B, C, and the side AC is produced here up to the point D. Okay, now write the data given here. So data are the exterior angle is 80 degree. Okay, and the two interior angles, this is 30 degree and this angle is x degree. We have to find the value of x. So we know what to do. We have to apply the exterior angle property. So in the triangle ABC, apply the exterior angle property. So the exterior angles BCD is will be equal to this angle plus this angle. Name of this angle is CAB plus angles CBA. That means now put the value BCD is equal to 80 degree is equal to CAB equal to 30 degree, and this is x degree. Now from here, what is the value of x? So x will be 80 degree minus 30 degree, which implies x is equal to, now subtract 30 from 80. So if I subtract 30 from 80, it will be 50 degree. That means the value of equal to 50 degree. 50 degree is the answer. Sampurna, what happened? Any problem, Sampurna? Yes, the answer is 50 degree. Sampurna, do you have any confusion? No, sir, because you have written here confusion questions for me. So I'm asking, what is the confusion here? If you have any confusion, you can tell me here. I will try to remove your confusion as much as I can. Okay, so finally we are very close to the last questions, means the finishing of this exercise. Now there is only one there is only one question left, that is the last question, question number 6. Okay, so let's draw the diagram. Okay, so the last question is, the diagram is like that. One triangle is here, okay, so let's give it a name. This is our A point, this is our B point, and this is the C point, and the side BC is produced to the point D. Now write the data given here. One, the exterior angle is 75 degree. Okay, and this angle is 35 degree, and this angle is x degree. We have to find out the value of x. Okay, so now consider the triangle first. So in the triangles ABC, and then apply the exterior angle property. That means angles ACD is equal to this angles CAB plus these angles ABC. Okay, now put the value. CAD means 75 degree is equal to 35 degree plus x, which means the value of x is equal to 75 degree minus 35 degree. Now if I subtract 35 from 75, tell me what will be the answer. If I subtract 35 from 75, tell me what is the answer. Yes, answer will be 40 degree. Very good, answer will be 40 degree. That means this unknown's angles is 40 degree. Okay, so the total question is solved now. Okay, so students, we have completed this exercise number 6.2, and next day we'll start a new exercise and we'll learn a new property of triangles. The property is called the interior interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This property is known as angle sum property of a triangles. The definition of angle sum property is the sum of all interior angle is equal to 180. Just today I have given the hints, just a very small definitions. Next we will discuss the formula, this property, okay, details, and we will prove why the sum of the three interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Pythagoras theorem is please explain the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, the topic is in your syllabus. We'll discuss this later. Okay, clear? Okay, so today up to this much. See you in my next class. Bye.